the value of networking in this industry is just enormous. There's so many people out there that know so many different things, and it's really so easy to reach out, especially through social media or Twitter or any of these outlets, to connect with people that you want to learn from. I was always kind of shocked to think of like my idols in the industry were unapproachable in a lot of ways. I'm like, oh my gosh, these rock stars, they would never talk to me. Like, I'm nobody. And you would be surprised how many people would talk to you, or you walk up to them at a conference or you're at an event. My whole mindset was changed when people that I looked up to, I just had amazing conversations with, and they were so open to me, and we developed these relationships. And I just encourage everybody, like, if there's somebody that you look up to in the industry, like, send them a message, or walk up to them at a conference, and you'd be really surprised. First of all, how friendly and how nice and how they want to help you. That's really cool. But also how you've now developed a connection with somebody that could potentially help you in your career. Like I said, could be your next mentor. You just never know.